Word of mismanagement at VA hospitals has led to the resignation of that agency's top official and for calls of an overhaul of the system. Well, today, Connecticut senior senator is calling for details of the audits done at VA facilities in our state. News 8's Kim Pierce has more on that and a new piece of legislation Senator Blumenthal is pushing to support our veterans.
I am writing to the acting secretary of the Department of Veterans Affairs.
That letter demands the acting secretary make the results of an audit of 216 veterans medical facilities available to everyone.
The American public has a right to know what the results were on specific locations, medical facilities and hospitals around the country.
Because of the growing scandal involving secret waiting lists for medical care for veterans in Phoenix, and because of the problems patients and employees at Connecticut's VA medical centers recently told the News 8 investigators. But does this federal audit include any Connecticut facilities?
We don't know. 216 were audited. My hope is that Connecticut's facilities were among them.
Even if the information about the VA system becomes public, there are still plenty of problems with the VA system. Senator Blumenthal says he is going to be backing some new legislation coming soon that would give the Secretary of Veterans Affairs more power, specifically in hiring and firing. Senator Blumenthal says to turn around the VA, more doctors and staff need to be hired, and administrators need the ability to fire those who aren't cutting it. In the meantime, there are other ways to help vets in need.
Procedures to enable more veterans to seek private care at private facilities outside of the Veterans Administration so as to eliminate some of the delays.
Blumenthal says he'll introduce that legislation in the Senate this week. In Hartford, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.